How to sign in to Capcut with QR code. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to sign in to Capcut using a QR code. This method is super convenient and easy to use, so let's jump right in. First, open Capcut on the device where you want to sign in, like your computer or tablet. On the login screen, you should see an option like Log in with QR code, so click on it and a unique QR code will appear. Now, grab your phone and open the Capcut app. Make sure you're already logged in to your Capcut account on your phone, as this will be used to scan the QR code. On your phone, in the Capcut app, go to Settings, tap on your profile icon, then look for the option to scan QR code. This is often located in your profile or account settings. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer or tablet screen. And once scanned, the devices will automatically sync. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be signed into Capcut on your computer or tablet. And that's it. You're now logged into Capcut using the QR code method. If this helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.